All right, YouTube, check it out. Your boy got a package in. I actually got it in the other day, but I ain't got around to opening it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for y'all right now. As y'all can see, it's from Stylecraft and Gamma. I'm pretty sure what it is, but let's go ahead and open this box up just so we can actually see what's inside. All right, check it out, man. As y'all can see, we got the Stylecraft Rebel collab with Mr. Cartoon. Check it out, man. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Well, before we open it, let's read the stuff on here. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing as the original Rebel, but let me go ahead and read some of this stuff for y'all just in case it is a little different. We got a black diamond fixed taper blade. Let me correct myself. A black diamond fixed vapor blade stays cooler and rust free and sharper longer. We got the customizable click lever, 3 hours of continuous wireless runtime with the charging stand and micro USB. Comes with 8 dub magnetic guards. It's got the stretch bracket, you know, the screwdriver, stuff like that. 7,200 strokes per minute. Super torque motor optimized for bulk removal. Fully adjustable blade, easily zero gap. We got additional housings in here, lithium ion battery. Man, let's just go ahead and open this up. It sounds like it's pretty much the same thing, so let's go ahead and open up this box so we can actually see how this clipper looks. But y'all check it out. We got one of the lids right here. So check it out. As y'all can see, you know they be coming with that nice packaging. Let's get this clipper out of here. So check it out. First thing is first, let's go ahead and check out the clipper. Yeah, check that design out on there, man. That's pretty dope. Mr. Cartoon on the bottom, Master Deluxe. We got the barber pole with the wings. And as y'all can see, it does come with the vapor blade. We got the click lever on there, hanging hook, the micro USB and charging port here, on and off switch right here. Sounds a little quieter. Hopefully they fixed the loud issue. But we got that. But all in all, man, it looks dope. I can't wait to put this to use today. But let's go ahead and finish looking at what comes in the box. All right, so like I was saying, it does come with other lids. As y'all can see here, we got a blue lid and a red lid. Let's go ahead and pop out one of these other ones first. So this is the blue lid that comes in the box also. Mr. Cartoon Master Deluxe once again. Check out that artwork, man. The artwork is on point. Let's go ahead and put that down. Let's check out the red lid. All right, so here's the red one, as y'all can see. Looks dope, man. I'm liking the black one the best, though, so I'm probably going to keep this one on there. Check that out one more time. But let's go ahead and finish looking at what comes in this box. So we do get the Gamma dub guards, as you can see here. We get a pack here. Rest of the guards here. I already got a couple sets of Gamma dubs, so I really don't need any more guards. But we do get a charging dock with the clipper. We also get the charging cord, as y'all can see. A micro USB. We get some other levers in here. Check that out. We got a blue lever, pink lever, and a red lever. We get the stretch bracket, just in case y'all wanted to stretch it out, you know what I'm saying? And then we also get another cam follower, because y'all know that's the reason why these clippers be getting loud, is the cam follower. It's a little piece, the little piece that goes under the blade. It starts to wear out, so it starts to get loud. So they did send an extra one, just in case that does happen. And then we get the booklet that your boy ain't gonna look at, and a screwdriver, and that's basically what comes inside this box, man. So check it out one more time. As y'all can see, the new Stylecraft Rebel collab with Mr. Cartoon. Y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna put this thing to work. Let's get it. All right, y'all know what it is, man. We finna put to use the new Stylecraft Rebel Mr. Cartoon edition. We gonna give my man a ball fade, 1.5 with the grain. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's get it. So I was gonna say this earlier, but I forgot. But when I turned this clipper on, I noticed that it sounds slightly quieter than my old Rebel. So That's a good thing off the jump. Y'all can see me going over my boy's hair, taking down all that hair. Easy. You know that super torque motor, you know how it works. We're just gonna give him a quick ball fade, line up the beard, all that good stuff. Get paid? You do, you get a good haircut. A great haircut. All right, so we took the top down with the one guard lever open. I'm gonna go ahead and ball them out with the clipper so y'all can see how it balls out. As y'all can see, it's working good, man. No issues with it. If you like the original Stylecraft Rebel, I'm sure you're gonna like this one too. I just feel that this one's, you know, brand new how they work. They just feel a little nicer. All right, so as you can see, we got my client balled it out. I already hit him with the razor. Now we're gonna go in with the clipper open, setting in our next guideline. All right, now I'm going in with my one guard lever open, blending into the length on top. But like I told y'all, man, I feel that these clippers, you know, that they're working nice. I like that they came out with a, you know, a new version of the clipper. You know, I feel that the Rebels have been a top tier clipper for a minute, so they switched it up a little bit, gave us something slightly new, but something that you know is gonna work well. But as y'all can see, I'm just working this line with my one guard closed. As y'all can see it, man, these clippers, they doing what they came to do. Alright, we're going in with the half guard or the zero guard halfway open. Then all the way closed. See, it's lightening up that line, softening it, making it easier for me. So when I do go in with my clipper open again, it'll take that line out completely. All right, guys, so I know we're in a little different environment than usual, you know what I'm saying? We in the whip, you know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, I had some time in between clients, so I wanted to come out here and give y'all my thoughts on the new Stylecraft Rebel Mr. Cartoon Edition. So straight off the jump, let me take these shades off. But as y'all can see, body style looks just like the Stylecraft Rebel. No real difference here. Like I said earlier in the video, we do got a click lever. We do got the Vapor blade on the clipper. My favorite blade from Stylecraft and Gamma Plus. We got the charging docks down here. As you can see, we have the regular charging dock. And then we also have micro USB charger. So that's good if you're on the go, or if you got a micro USB on your station, you don't actually need to use your charging dock. You can actually just plug it in micro USB, or if you got your charging cord, you can just plug it in there and it'll charge up. But you know, your boy was a fan of the Stylecraft Rebels and the Gamma Boosted for a minute, and I gotta say, man, it still holds well to its name. You know, it's still a solid clipper. Yes, this one is brand new, and me personally, I think this one is slightly quieter than the older Rebels. You know what I'm saying? Like the older Rebels, y'all know how the older Rebels were, man. They were a little louder, but that comes with the power. You know what I'm saying? The power and the casing cause it to be a little louder than normal, but I think these have quieted down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these on for y'all. So as you can see, they sound a lot quieter, at least to me. As you can see, the light is blinking, letting y'all know that your boy's been using it. It is about to uncharge. But like I was saying, guys, when it comes to debulking, this clipper works well. When it comes to blending, this clipper works well. All in all, great tool, just like the original Stylecraft Rebel. It was in my arsenal for a good minute. Here recently, I haven't been using it as much just because, you know, your boy be getting a bunch of tools in. I'll be trying them all out. But I may put this one back into my arsenal, may put it back into my lineup and throw it into my rotation. Now, when I posted this on Instagram, people were asking me where to get it. Now, I do believe if you go to the Stylecraft website, stylecraftus.com, it's no longer available. They only had a limited amount. But I believe that my family over there at Fort Worth Barber Supply is going to be having these real soon. So you can try to go get it from stylecraftus.com. I don't know if they're going to have more coming in or what, but you can try to get it from stylecraftus.com. But if you can't, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and check it out, guys. I don't know if y'all know this, but your boy just got a discount code with Fort Worth Barber Supply also. So anything you purchase off of fwbarbersupply.com, you can use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself some money, you know what I'm saying? But like I was saying, man, clipper all in all is pretty dope. Does come with 2 other lids. I left the lids inside and I don't feel like walking back in. But y'all saw the lids earlier in the video. Me personally, this is my favorite lid. I do like black clippers, you know, darker style clippers. So I think this lid bodes well with what I like to use, you know what I'm saying? But once again, here is the Stylecraft Rebel Mr. Cartoon collab. Check it out one more time. Like I said, we got the Vapor blade on there, on and off switch right here, hanging hook, charging dock, grooves in the back, very ergonomic clipper, you know what I'm saying? And all in all, it's a great tool. I love the way the Stylecraft Rebel works, love the way it blends, love the way it debulks. It does everything that I need a clipper to do. I can bald out with this clipper, I can fade with it. You know, I just said it a good amount of times, and I do think that this clipper is a nice clipper to go to. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to give y'all a small update on this. You saw your boy putting it to work. You saw me working with it. But nonetheless, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, guys, if you do want to purchase this clipper, you can go to stylecraftus.com. I don't know if they still have any, but if they do, you can use my discount code TANK10, or anything off the Stylecraft website you want to order, use my discount code TANK10. But if they ain't got it there and you want to go check at fwbarbersupply.com, go check out fwbarbersupply.com, and you can also use my discount code TANK10 on that website. So with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.